Hey, hello, my friends, and welcome to another episode of the All Sales Aside, the Asian edition. This is your host, Jack, and today we are delving into a cornerstone of all successful business relationships. Guess what? Yep, that's right, it's trust. Building trust isn't an overnight process. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it patiently until it blossoms into a strong, sturdy tree. It's about consistently showing up, being reliable, and making good promises. Let's look at the story of Zappos, a company that has become the shining beacon of customer trust. They didn't achieve the status by chance or sheer luck. Instead, they earned it through their unwavering commitment to customer service. Zappos has made it clear that customers are their top priority by offering 365-day returns, free shipping both ways, and customer service representatives who are empowered to go the extra mile. This dedication has paid off in spades, with a loyal customer base that trusts them implicitly. But building trust isn't just about grand gestures. Often, the small, consistent actions make the most significant impact. Prompt responses to emails or calls, transparency about processes, and a meeting when you are wrong, these are all signals to your customers that you respect them and value their business. True? Well, consider Buffer, a social media management platform, as an example. They have chosen a radical path of transparency, publicly sharing everything from their revenue to their salaries. This openness has fostered a deep trust among their users, proving that honesty is the best policy. Well, another fantastic case study comes from luxury watches Rolex, a brand synonymous with precision and prestige, has spent decades cultivating an image of reliability. Every watch is meticulously crafted and tested to meet the highest standards. This dedication to quality is a massive part of why customers trust Rolex. They know that every product bearing the Rolex name will be exceptional. On the flip side, trust can also be about showing vulnerability. Brené Brown, a renowned researcher and storyteller, shares in a TED Talk about the power of vulnerability in building connections. And she says, vulnerability is the birthplace of connection and the path to the feeling of worthiness. When businesses show their human side, think of a CEO sharing their struggles and lessons learned. It can create a powerful bond of trust with their audiences. Trust is also about demonstrating your expertise and credibility. Customers need to feel confident that they can rely on you for accurate and helpful information. A great way to do this is through content marketing. By sharing valuable, insightful content, you position yourself as an authority in your field and give customers a reason to trust you. Okay, so before we conclude today's episode, I have an assignment for you. Are you ready for this? Thank you. Reflect on how you can build or strengthen trust with your customers this week. It might be a small step, like improving your response time, or a larger initiative, like starting a content marketing campaign. Whatever it is, commit to it and take action. So remember, my friend, trust is the bedrock of all successful business relationships. It cannot be won easily, but it becomes your most valuable asset once you have earned it. So keep showing up, be reliable, and deliver on your promises. Okay, so that's all for today's episode of the All Sales Aside, the Asian edition. And I'm your host, Jack. Until next time, let's keep building trust and selling with confidence. Goodbye.